everybody. I just wanted to say hello from Paris. We want to wish you all a very happy New Year, happy 2025. 2024 has been great for us, and we're hoping 2025 will be good. So be safe and just count all your blessings. So from Paris, happy New Year. And as they say in Chinese, 新年快乐. Yeah. All right. Good night. Bye-bye. Alright, well, good morning. Welcome to Paris. This will be my final stop on this European trip. As you can see me, I'm at Notre Dame. It is reopened after 5 years. We're going to go inside this and check it out. Really excited. It's always good being here. I'm here with my wife. I met up with her, so she's going to be here. And we're just going to walk around the city, taking in some sights. And then we have a dinner cruise tonight. So let's go check out Notre Dame, the iconic cathedral here in Paris, and we'll check out some of the other city. Let's go. Thanks for coming along today. Traveling around and come with me. So of course, if you're not familiar, in 2019, there's a huge fire here that basically destroyed the roof and the little spire, so you can see at the top. So it is reopened after 5 years. The French president wanted to get it reopened. It's just a beautiful, beautiful structure, and we're waiting in line to go in here. But yeah, this reopened actually a few weeks ago, a few weeks before we got here. They had the reopening ceremony. So it's so awe-inspiring. The newly restored Notre Dame. So before the fire, the walls weren't white, so they have the white walls. Everything's cleaned up. Beautiful stained glass. We'll take a close look at that. Man, absolutely gorgeous. Just exquisite, the beautiful chandeliers up here, the stone pillars, everything about it is just remarkable. You have the different paintings and tapestries, all the beautiful, stained glass windows. It's the organ. We'll go take a look at that. There's the rosé stained glass window. They thought this was lost, but it was preserved. Look how gorgeous that is. Absolutely gorgeous stained glass. Alright, so that right there is the Last Supper. This is Jesus coming into Jerusalem, being welcomed. Different scenes from the Bible here. That's Jesus being baptized by John the Baptist. Yeah, so this depicts the life of Jesus. You start there with the Annunciation, that Mary was pregnant, his birth, Caesar killing. It goes all the way to the very end where he's praying in the Garden of Gethsemane. And this here is probably the most elaborate nativity scene I've seen. And that's awesome. I think they have close to every single legal character. A very elaborate nativity scene. There you see Mary in the back there, baby Jesus. Here's a close look at some of the stained glass. Look how exquisite it is. Absolutely beautiful. This is one of the things they say from the fire across. You can see the burnt ash. And there's the firefighter's helmet. There's a little mock-up of where the fire was, mainly on the top, so the whole roof burned. You can see with the flame, the pillow that was up there was gone. Absolutely incredible. These are all the many people that helped to rebuild Notre Dame after the fire. Very brave men. You have scaffolding, sculptors, stonemasons, a lot of them here that really helped. And even when the fire was burning, they started getting donations coming in because, it means so much to everybody. So everyone was just donating money as when it's all burning. So it's good to see it back up. And looks great. All right, so Yala and I just got going through Notre Dame. What do you think about that? Beautiful?
Beautiful and refixed. Everything's renewed, even the color. And the school not too dirty. And the appearances feel like newer.
Yeah, so they actually during the fire they cleaned everything, so everything looks a lot cleaner. It's always a moving experience, so we're going to head out. So we're going to head to further in Paris.
It made people caring because inside I feel very beautiful inside of the structure.
Yeah, it tends to get people a little emotional coming here.
Yeah.
Just because it means so much to everybody, especially to us too. So, we're take you further on along the journey. So, stay with us. All right, we're here at the newest Paris tram station. And this one is part of the what's the future, because this is AI generated, so there is no there's no driver for this one. So this is the subway of the future, an AI subway, so metro system. So
新的无人驾驶的 subway。14，然后 Notre Dame，OK。
All right, so it's a little bit later on in the day. Yala and I had some things to take care of earlier, so we didn't continue our tour. So let's start out with the famous Paris Opera House, made famous by the play The Phantom of the Opera. This is the opera house that was the inspiration for it. So we're gonna see if we can go inside and check, and then we're gonna take a walk down the Champs-Élysées and show you that, and then we go on a cruise. I'll see if I can film a little bit of that as well tonight. So a lot going on tonight. So you ready to check this out?
Yeah, check it out.
All right. All right, so there's a show going on tonight, so we can't go in, so that's a bummer, but it's a beautiful building, and one day we'll go see an opera. So
Yeah.
let's see what else is going on here. But this is a very busy section of Paris. This is the center of the city here, decked out for the holidays. So we were running late, so we decided to just come to the cruise. And we're going to take a cruise down the Seine. Have an awesome dinner. And we're actually doing this as our anniversary dinner. So, come along with us.
Alors, rapprochez un peu le verre, monsieur. Reculez-vous bien dans votre chaise.
We've been seeing these along the river. These are some of them are houseboats. This is like a floating restaurant. It's on the boat. It's interesting, but we do have some of these boats that people live on, which is actually pretty fascinating. Ruth and I were talking. We don't think we'd enjoy living on a boat, but like this one, I think someone lives there, but they're not there now. Yeah, pretty interesting. Alright, well, we had an awesome scenic trip down the Seine. You see the Eiffel Tower behind me blowing up. That was awesome. We had a great dinner, awesome music, awesome scenery. So that'll wrap it up here from my tour of Paris. Stay tuned for next adventure. And yeah, we'll catch you later. More adventures here come from Paris. See you later.